Do you want to get out of this Super Bowl season with $1 million in your bank account? Well, it all starts with investing in the right cryptos. Currently, there's a widespread fear of a recession happening soon, and the Super Bowl is also another event that might drive the financial market crazy. But here's the most interesting thing. With the right crypto, you could easily make tons of cash within a short span. And with all honesty, no BS, I do believe that XRP is the Super Bowl crypto. Stay with me here as I walk you through different evidences that I've accumulated to support my answer. By the way, guys, we have started in on our new giveaway. Don't forget to join in. We will be giving away $1,000 to the first lucky winner, $500 to the second, and $250 worth of XRP to the third winner. You can get all the details. They're right down in the comment section below. That's where you find the requirements. Good luck. The lucky winners are going to be announced right here on MoneySide on April the 1st. As always, we welcome you to MoneySide, your favorite crypto news channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you get updates whenever we drop a new video. And don't forget to smash that like button. And remember, you can always leave a comment in the section down below. That out of the way, let's get started, shall we? Now, this meeting was held to our advantage, and we might soon need to lock our XRPs as we wait for the price to hike. You know, when these people meet, it's always something about to happen in the financial market. More importantly, the Federal Reserve has been fighting inflation for months now, but they finally came out and said that they are behind the curve after the inflation rate jumped all the way to 7.5%. At this point, I feel like a recession is imminent, whether we'd like to admit it or not. And when that happens, everyone will be running to the crypto world for salvation. The current inflation spike is the highest it's been since 1982, and that's a red alert. Everything is about to be 10 times more expensive than before. According to the article, food prices are up by 20% each year. Rent and energy prices also continue to go up. What's more, the Fed didn't even expect the inflation rate to be this high. The top guys are even baffled by what is happening in the field. According to this article, investors quickly sold the riskier stocks and cryptos. I'm talking about Bitcoin. That's why it fell so low. The worst part is the sale of these assets is actually what pushed the inflation rate even higher. So will the Super Bowl change the cards, or will we end up poorer than ever after these games are over? I believe we're about to witness a new all-time high, especially for cryptos that are backed up with real-life use cases. In this case, XRP has real-life use outside the blockchain system and could potentially become the new age currency now that fiat cash is becoming more expensive by the day. The crypto world has always been a salvation for many reasons. For instance, anonymity, investment choice, and others. Right now, unfortunately, certain platforms are under fire by the SEC. Like I said before, the SEC will knock the doors open, guns blazing, and that's what they're currently doing. BlockFi and other crypto exchanges are under fire for their interest accounts and lending loans. And to ensure their story is straight, the SEC are forcing these crypto exchanges and currencies to be filed under securities, which is exactly what is happening with XRP. A few months ago, Coinbase was also under attack by the SEC. Yet we all know that Coinbase is the best benchmark for the best cryptos to invest in. Yep, that's right. We all use Coinbase to identify legitimate cryptos in the market before investing our hard-earned money into it. Now, why would the SEC go for the one crypto exchange that actually is on the right side? I think they want a piece of the action through registration of these companies as security-backed enterprise. Even the government is finding smart ways to enter the crypto market, while others fear that the crypto world is too volatile. If I was in your position, I'd invest every last coin in my pocket in the crypto world. I said it. This market is fairly young, but it is the future. That's because I believe the crypto world will one day become the only currency we'll need. With the help of XRP, this reality may happen sooner than we expect. XRP is the bridge currency that we've all been looking forward to. Additionally, the founders of XRP actually worked on the source code behind Bitcoin. There's even speculation that one of the founders of XRP was behind Bitcoin. Check out my other videos for in-depth clarification. So, should you invest in XRP? Yes, of course. I've said this time and time again that XRP is about to change the whole cryptoverse, and that will be soon. Now that we are about to witness the end of this coin's biggest suppression force, the SEC versus Ripple case, XRP will finally hit that all-time high. And you know what that means? We're about to get a whole new bunch of crypto millionaires. So will you be among them or not? Or did you sell your XRPs immediately that the coin went below $1? I did panic for a minute when I saw XRP's price going below the dollar mark again. But instead of seeing an exit strategy, I saw the perfect opportunity to buy more XRPs. Buy the dips, as they say. So I went all in, and I bought as much XRP as I could. That's how much I believe in the future of this coin. And if you don't believe in XRP, you were probably watching the headlines for too long. If you watch the news a lot, I'm sure this coin's future doesn't seem possible. Chances are you already gave up on XRP the minute the SEC filed the court case against them. Now, a year and a half, almost 2 years down the road, XRP is still here. Why? Why is that? Don't ever underestimate the power behind XRP, that's for certain. That said, time to take a look at the charts. XRP has been performing quite amazingly as of late, with us rebounding out of the bearish triangle with a gain of nearly 60%. We had a little cool-off recently after our hot run to the upside. Now, it seems we may see a little sideways price action before then jumping up another leg. Our main target or first goal would be the 0.2 fib level at 90 cents. Breaking through here will give us some bullish momentum to push us further between the 0.2 fib and the 0.3 fib. That's where that dollar mark sits. Now taking a look at Bitcoin, it continues consolidating and has gone above the EMA 50 on the daily time frame. Now this is positive for all the altcoins market. Seeing any strong or sudden Bitcoin drop is always bad for the entire market. Now when Bitcoin consolidates, the rest of the market can move ahead. The way that Bitcoin now is behaving supports the smaller altcoins to grow. Let's get started. As always, we remind you to do your own research and always trade safely, guys. Please keep in mind we're not a licensed financial advisor. All videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. You can tell us what you think in the comment section below and start a conversation. Thank you very much for being here and watching. Don't forget to like this video and please click on that subscribe button. Turn on notifications, that way you get informed whenever we post our amazing content. Thanks again, and we will see you on the next Money Side.